Alright, so on my last video I talked about another project I was going to be working on with somebody. So I'm just going to show you how it showed up, and we'll see how it goes, and we'll go over some of the process of what we got to do to it. Yeah, so I'll just give you a little overview of the car.
A little tight in the garage, but it's cold outside, so it's going to be what it is. We bought this 2014 Mustang at auction. Here, airbags have gone off. It's a 6-speed manual, power windows. Guy had, need some more light. Going back to that. Guy had a stereo of some sort in here, left some wiring and whatever. Like I said, airbags have gone off. Yeah, I don't know, it seems like a alright little car. I know it's kind of dark. Seatbelt obviously doesn't retract because the airbags went off. Back of the cars, no issues. Come up to the front of the car. Got a little kink in the hood there. Guessing impact was got a little mangled there. Bumpers popping off. The grill's gone. It's sitting inside the car. Hole in the bumpers. Was going to be getting a new bumper. We'll pop the hood here. V6 car. The rad support's a little crinkled up. That's kind of tilted and whatnot. Nothing too crazy. Runs and drives. There's power wire from the stereo we had. Mirror cap's missing. Mirror's not broken or anything like that. Yeah, all in all, car looks to be not too bad. Got a good deal on it from the auction. There's the grill and the lower grill. Yeah, that's the next little project we're gonna be working on. Get some parts ordered. Gonna give the car a little bit more of a once over, pull that seatbelt out, and order some parts, see what we can get on the way and how quickly we can turn this thing around. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more content on the Mustang, leave a comment and let me know. Usually I'm working on Volkswagens, so I know a lot of you are Volkswagen guys, but if you want to see some Mustang content, give me a like and a subscribe to follow, and leave a comment saying you want to see more. If nobody wants to see any more of the Mustang, we won't post any more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.